Hi guys, my name is Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup look. I thought this would be a cool video to do as I have to go out today and this was going to be my makeup look anyway. And also I know I don't show you guys my actual face makeup when I do film tutorials. I literally just show you how I do my eyes and my lips. So in this video, if you're ever curious about what I use on my face or how I do my face, you will see it. So this is the look that I'm doing today. It is just a super simple winged liner look with a little bit of lip gloss. That is basically it. So if you'd like to see how I do it, well then just keep on watching. So like I said, this is going to be like a little talky video. I'm not going to do a voiceover on it. I'm just going to talk through as I do it. So basically all I've done is I've moisturized my face and I just use the LUSH Snow Fairy like body conditioning lotion for my skin. So now that I've done that, I'm just getting my foundation, and this is the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat liquid foundation, and this is in the color Creamy Neutral. This color is a little bit too dark for me. This is the color that I normally use when I tan, but I haven't actually tanned. But I've run out of my other foundation and this will just have to do for me, you know, just until I get another one tomorrow or something. So this will just do for today. Now I sped it up and skip it through, but I do spend like a good 5 minutes blending in my foundation. I used to just do it really quickly, like, you know, 2 minutes or so, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I'm done. But I can't remember whose makeup channel it was, and they were like, you know, if you want like a really nice, you know, proper coverage with your foundation and you want it to look nice, take your time blending it. So now I literally will spend like 5 minutes blending in my foundation. Now that that's done, I get my concealer and I use the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer in the color 05 Ivory. So I just go through and put that on my under eyes. I do have very, very dark under eye circles. There's not much that I can do about it. Even like a full coverage concealer won't help it. I just have dark under eye circles. I think the only thing that I can really do to get rid of them is get fillers put in, which, you know, I'm considering, I really am. But yeah, so I just use this on my dark circles, and then just anywhere that I feel like I need it to brighten, or if I've got like any kind of blemishes, which I do on my nose at the moment, and then just down on my chin. And then again, I just blend that in. I always do my under eyes last. I don't know why, but I just do. So now that that's all done, I use a, what's this stuff called? A powder. Normally I use, I don't think I have it on me because I ran out. Normally I'll use either the Australis Fresh and Flawless pressed powder in light beige, or I use the, no I don't have it, or I use the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder. But when I went to pick a new one of them up, for some reason they didn't have either, so I just grabbed this one. This is the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder, and this is just like a translucent one. So I'm just going to put that on a fluffy brush and just put that on my face to set it. Now I go onto my eyebrows, and I'm not into the whole like concealing my eyebrows and like doing all that kind of stuff with them. Like I used to be full on into like eyebrows and how they looked and all that kind of thing, but I've just really stopped caring now about how my eyebrows look, so I just fill them in. This is the Essence Brow Pencil in 02 Brown. Essence has quickly become one of my favorite brands because it is a very, very cheap brand, but their products are really good, like amazing quality for such a low price that they are. And then what I do is I get the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I don't use it on my lashes, I just use it for my brows, and I just set them. Now I go in and I contour my face, and this is the Australis AC On Tour Contour and Highlighting Kit. This one's too dark for me, this is the medium one. It is like, it's very, very dark for my skin tone. Again, I use it normally when I tan, but I can find I can like just get away with using the lighter color in it for my skin now. Now I go in with that, itchy eye. Now I go in with that same color of contour, and I contour my nose. So I just use this is the brush from my Naked 3 palette. I just use the smaller side to get that really defined line, and then I blend it out with the other end. So I go in and I draw a line down the either side of my nose, and then like the tip of my nose. And then I just blend it out. Then I go back in with the translucent powder, and I just kind of brush it over where I contoured on my nose. I just find it, I don't know, blends it better and makes it look a bit better, so I just go over that. Now for my eyes, I don't really do much for my eyes on an everyday basis. I just normally take a eyeshadow just to put into my crease and stick on some eyeliner. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my Jeffree Star Beauty Color palette, and I'm taking the color Courtney, which is my favorite like transition shade color ever, and I'm just using that same Naked 3 palette brush, and I'm putting that in my crease. And then I just brush a little bit of that again along my lower lash line. And then I take my eyeliner, and this is Heroin Makeup Smooth Liquid Eyeliner. It's waterproof in the color 01, which I'm assuming is black. My friend got this for me when she was in Japan, so I'm not entirely sure of it or where you can get it from, but it's really, really good, and that's just what I use. And I'm just going to do like a little bit of a winged liner. So I'm so sorry, I didn't realize my camera cut out while I was doing my eyeliner. My memory card was full, so it just stopped recording, and I didn't realize I was too busy lining my eyes. But I literally just did like just a little wing liner look, nothing too fancy. Now I'm getting my mascara, and I use the Essence Volume Stylist 18-hour curl and hold mascara. I find that this product, like, you do get a lot of product on the brush, so I do have to wipe it off before I use it, but yeah, I'm just putting that on. And also down on my lower lashes, I've decided that I'm not going to be wearing fake lashes today. I don't always wear fake lashes. It also depends if I've got my contacts on or wearing my glasses, which today I'm going to be wearing my glasses. So I'm not putting I'm not putting lashes on. So yeah. So that is all for my eyes. Now I'm just getting a lip balm to put on before I put on my lipstick, and this is just a Nivea Repair and Protect lip balm, so I'm just putting that on and letting that soak in for a bit. So before I do my lips, I just, like I said, let the lip balm stay on my lip for a bit, so I'm just going to go in and do my highlight, and this is the Jeffree Star highlight Skin Frost in Ice Cold. I don't think I have good enough lighting to pick up the highlight, but it is really, really good. Like, it's blinding. My lighting just sucks. And then I do it on my nose, but I just use my finger for when I do my nose. So I just use my little finger just to place it on, and then just a little bit down the bridge of my nose too. And then I just brush it over the top of my lip and just a little bit on my chin. Now for lipstick, I'll either just leave my lips how they are, or I use this, and this is, and I swear to God this video is not sponsored by Essence, it's just their brand is just so super cheap, and the qualities are just such high quality products. So this is the Essence Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss in the colour 02 Beauty Approved. So it is a lip gloss, but it does give you a matte finish, which I really like. And this is also my like go-to nude lip gloss because it is pretty close to my actual lip colour. So that is all for my everyday makeup look. I hope you guys did enjoy it. It is just something super quick, super easy, super simple. Like I said, sometimes I will put fake lashes on depending whether I wear my glasses or not, but today I decided not to. So yeah, if you guys liked it, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Feel free to leave any comments, requests, questions down in the comment section below. If you'd like to follow me or contact me on any social media, links to do so are always down in the description. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.